Bankruptcy filing has the biggest immediate impact on your score, but you can rebound from bankruptcy. Bankruptcy will have a devastating impact on your credit health. The exact effects will vary. But according to top scoring model FICO, filing up for bankruptcy can send a good credit score of 700 or above, plummeting by at least 200 points. If your score is a bit lower, around 680, you can lose between 130 and 150 points. Bankruptcy can be a challenging time, but it can also be an opportunity for a fresh start to take a hold of your finances and make a turnaround. These key steps will quickly increase your credit score and get you on your way to a more prosperous financial future. Stay on top of your credit report. Steer clear of any credit repair scams. Take stock of your past mistakes. Obtain a secure credit card. Increase your credit limit. And finally, breathe again.